Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute. January 22nd, 2026. KSE-100 printed a narrow range spinning top today, signaling consolidation after yesterday's heavy sell-off. Let's take a look at the chart. All right, so this is where we are at. A 654.9 point jump price for the day. In Japanese candlestick formations, this is a spinning top, small body candle, and inside the body of a big candle, so this becomes harami candlestick pattern, a short-term, possibly reversal pattern when it comes at the end of a trend. Whether we are at the end or not remains to be seen. Looking at our indicators, trend again still firmly bullish, all moving averages in a firmly bullish stack, volume once again above average, which shows continued participation rather than exhaustion. RSI a little below its average still, so momentum still has to pick up. ADX shows pretty strong strength at 39.56. So our overall verdict for the day would be the same that it has been throughout this run. Trend remains bullish and strong, but with RSI overbought, expect more choppy two-way sessions. This is what we've been saying for a while now, and yesterday was vindication of such analysis. And as long as the price holds above this 10-day exponential moving average, dips still read as corrective rather than a trend break. So nothing is wrong with the uptrend so far. Stay tuned.